Good morning, my dear students. In last class, last Thursday, we completed doubles from up to page number 20. You know that the double means multiply by 2 and the half means divided by 2, right? Double is opposite of half, right? Like plus is plus and minus is different, right? No, plus changes to minus, minus changes to plus. So here in the question now is given like question input and you have to find out output. If is given the output, you have to find out the input. The first one is what? Input. That means whatever your number, write it here, just double and write the answer, right or no? Like here 4. 4 when you double, what is the answer? Just input, you put it here 4 and double and output comes, right or no? So 4 double means multiply by 2. How much? 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. Similarly here 9 if you double 18, 18 if you double 36, but here is given the answer 32. So if it is given like this one input, we don't know what is the input, right or no? We need to find the input now. So how to find? Look at here, the simple trick I will explain you. So this is the input, this is the input. We don't know the number, it is in the between is the double. This one is given already, this one is given already. We need to find this number, right or no? Input. This is the output. Output how much is given to you? 32. Output how much is given to you? 32. So here is the input, you have to double means multiply by 2. When you come back, that means when you reverse, this multiply changes to divided by 2. That's why I explained in one class basic of half also. We learn the doubles and halves also, right or no? Half. So 32 half how much? 16. So the answer is what? 16. That means reverse. Double changes to half, okay, opposite. Now similarly here also question, but here two conditions. First you have whatever use the number, first you have to double it. First you have to double it, then subtract 1. First you have to double it, then subtract 1. So 5 multiplied by 2 how much? 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. 11 multiplied by 2 how much? 22. 22 minus 1 is 21. 45 double means 45 multiplied by 2 is 90. 90 minus 1 is 89. Okay. Now is given the output. Now look at here, output is how much? 17. So this is the rule, is given this rule. I need to find out the input. How to find? This minus 1 change to plus 1. Remember, every time there is a relation between plus and minus, and there is a relation between multiply and division. Like we learn one class inverse concept, we learn the one class inverse concept. So plus changes to minus, minus changes to plus, multiply changes to division, and division changes to multiplication, remember. So the given output, we need to find the input. So 17, so minus 1 is as per the rule. So minus 1 changes to what? Plus 1. So 17 plus 1 how much? 18. And here double means multiply by 2. Multiply by 2 changes to divide by 2. So 18 divided by 2 how much? 9. So the answer is what? 9. If you check it like this one also, directly the same answer. 9 multiplied by 2 how much? 18. 18 minus 1 how much? 17. So look at the 17. Okay. Now look at the next question. Look at here only directly. Okay. Now this question is, here are some triangle numbers, right or no? If you look at this is a square. If I want to change into triangle, this is the first one. This is the first one. Please concentrate this question. This is the first one. If I want to make it into half, that means two triangles. This is the three squares. This is the three squares. When I make it into half, this changes to six triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares. Similarly, this one is the 6 squares. If I want to make it into half, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. That means double exactly, right or no? 6 squares means 12 triangles. If it is the 10 squares, then 20. So how you understand here? If you look at here, this is the first one. This is the second one. How to find? Total is 3. That means the first one is 1 square. Next one 2 increase. That means 2 increase, right or no? 2 increase. And the how to find the third one? This is the 3. So here 2 increase means next one should be increase 3. So 3 plus 3 total 6. Look at here, total 6. How you understand? This is the 6 squares. So 2, then 3. After 3 is what? 4 increase. That means 6 plus 4, 10. So similarly here, the next one should be 10 plus 5. Why? Because whatever the squares here, the 10, then here 4 means next add 5. So 15 squares means double how much? 30 triangles. Next is what? Here 15 squares means here is 15. So 5 means next will be increase 6 squares. So 15 plus 6 how much? 21. So double is 42. So what is the question number A? What special about the length and width of the rectangle? So what is the length of this rectangle? 5 units. You can say that 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what is the width? Width means the smallest one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is the width. And double the other triangles numbers, then compare the sequence. Already I find out here 2, the first one is the 2, second one is 6 triangles, third one is 12 triangles, the fourth one is the 20, so the fifth one is 30, I find here, the sixth one is 42. Okay. And now look at the question number. These are the examples. So a sequence start from 8, 15 and 29. What is the rule here? What is the rule for the sequence? And write the next in this number. The rule is double then subtract 1. Rule is what? Double then subtract 1. Look at here. 8 multiplied by 2 how much? 16 minus 1 how much? 15. Look at here. 15 multiplied by 2 how much? 30, then minus 1 equal to how much? 29. If I need the next number, how to find? 29 multiplied by 2 is what? 58, then minus 1 is 57. The next number is 57. Here a sequence start from 4, 9, 19. What is the rule here? Rule is here double then add 1. Double then add 1. So 4 multiplied by 2 how much? 8, then plus 1 how much? 9. 9 multiplied by 2 is 18, then plus 1 is 19. 19 multiplied by 2 is how much? 38, plus 1 is 39. Okay. Now the last question, find two examples to show that the following rule is true. Any odd number is double a number, then add 1 is a odd number only. Look at here, like suppose 3 is the odd number, you know that. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 like this way. So 3, when I double, 6. When I add 1, what happens? 7. 7 is odd number or not? So any odd number, if you double, then add 1 or subtract 1 also, then the answer is odd only. So 5 multiplied by 2 how much? 10. 10 plus 1 how much? 11 only. So if you 10 minus 9, 1 also 9. 9 is the odd number. So your homework is page number 21, question number 7. This is your homework. I hope you understand today's classwork. If you have any more questions, you can ask me in the next class. Thank you.